Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the Ironclad Marketing Minute. My name is Ben Riccardi with Ironclad Restoration Marketing, and today's Marketing Minute is all about all the things that you need to be doing right now for your restoration business to maximize your online visibility and ultimately drive the most leads to your business as you can for the lowest price possible. Wouldn't that be nice? Number one, you got to have a website. The website is the window into your business. It is the hub of all of the information, and all these other digital marketing channels should funnel to the website to ultimately get your target customer to pick up the phone and give you a call. Now, with your website, you have to make sure that it's built to convert. Traffic costs a lot of money to send to a website. So you got to make sure that you're converting those eyeballs and those visitors into actual phone calls. So take a look at things like your website in general. Make sure that you have a mobile optimized website. Make sure it loads fast, and make sure you have the most important information above the fold where a user does not have to scroll to get to what they need to see. Remember, you are in the property damage restoration space, so we don't want to make people have to look too far, especially when they're having an emergency service. Number two, you should have a very comprehensive search engine optimization program implemented to your business. Now, what SEO does is it allows your website to rank for keywords or services that you want to rank for higher and higher in the organic section of a search engine result, meaning the section just below the map section on a result, whether it's desktop or mobile. Now, this is the most sustainable long-term source of leads for your business, but I like to call organic search a garden. It takes a lot of time for a garden to grow, to give you those leads that you need to keep your trucks on the road. So we will take you into channel number two, which is what we like to call here the grocery store, which is the Google Ads platform. Now, what we see is happening that is getting the best ROI for our clients and actually driving the most leads right now is the Google Guarantee Program, or you might know it as the LSA program. LSA is huge and it's doing really well for everybody. And the difference between LSA and the traditional Google Ads is LSA is a pay per lead model. Whereas Google Ads, the traditional text ads, are a pay per click. Now, the cool thing about LSA is they call it Google Guarantee because Google guarantees that they will be legitimate leads if you close them. So it is a great platform. Again, it works really well with the next channel that we're going to talk about, which is your Google business profile. So the third thing you need to be doing for your restoration business in 2025 is having a properly optimized and managed Google business profile. Now, you cannot set it and forget it with a Google business profile. It needs nurturing. It is very much like a garden. You still need to till the soil. You still need to nurture it. So you need to be making sure you're getting reviews and you're responding to those reviews. The latest algorithm last year, Google is giving preferential rankings to companies that are more responsive, or they'll list you as responsive. So responding to Google reviews is huge. You can post company updates. You can post pictures. You can post blogs. You can post the helpful content to your Google business profile that Google is looking for when they are crawling websites and they are looking to rank your business higher and higher. Also, your Google business profile is tied directly to your Maps rankings, which in the service industry is the bread and butter. Most search, most phone calls are coming from the Maps rankings. And now, as of November, your Google business profile reviews and are tied to your LSA. So if you're running LSA, you need to make sure that you're getting Google reviews because you don't have a separate channel for that anymore. And if you don't have a verified Google business profile, you cannot run LSA. It won't approve you anymore as of November of 2024. So if you're looking to what you need to do to maximize your online visibility, take a look at your website, make sure you have a mobile version, make sure it's easy to get in touch with you and it loads fast and you have the proper information on that website. Make sure you have a comprehensive search engine optimization program implemented for your company to rank for the keywords and the services that you want to get leads for in the cities that you want to get leads for them in. Make sure you're properly leveraging your Google business profile by getting reviews and posting updates, linking those to your website. And if budget permits, run the Google Guaranteed, get approved for Google Guaranteed and run local service ads, and you will maximize your online visibility, take over the entire page one of Google, and keep your trucks on the road with a perpetual pipeline of leads that you need to succeed. We'll talk to you next time.